love song. Actually, no, it's not. It's about Jesus Criminy Christ.
That's infected, and I'm petrified to be alone now. It's pathetic, oh I know. Well, I'm so sad and turned in my back. It just feels like I'm lost and I lost my head. But if I believe you, that make it stop. If I told you I need you, instead of what you want. And when I'm broken, I'm bleeding, begging for and I'm asking you, Jesus, show yourself. Thought I met you once or twice, but that was just because the dogs were nice and opening up my mind. Showing me consciousness is primary in the universe, and I had a revelation. But if it was you that made my body, you probably shouldn't have made me atheist. Now I'm a lesbian kissing, I'm an evangelist. If you don't want to go to hell, maybe you should stop selling this. If I believe you, that make it stop. If I told you I need what you want. Oh, when I'm broken, I'm bleeding, begging for help, and I'm asking you, Jesus, show yourself. Well, if I'm lost, then how can I find myself? Well, if I'm lost, then how can I find myself? Well, if I'm lost, then how can I find myself? Well, if I'm lost, then how can I find myself?
Nice one. Thank you very much.